Hello everyone, my name is Bhavesh Chapur. Today's date is 22nd September. This is original video. So in this video we are going to discuss the difference between the POP and OOP. So first of all, this POP means procedure oriented programming and OOPS means object oriented programming. Now let's look at some difference between this POP and OOP. So first is POP is a structure oriented. Its programs are divided into smaller parts which are known as the functions, and our OOP is object oriented, and programs are divided into smaller parts which are known as a object. This POP follows top down approach while our OOP follows the bottom up approach. Then next point is the POP deals with the algorithm, while our OOP emphasize more on a data. And then next point is the POP is less secure because all the functions are by default public, while OOPs are highly secure because it allows you to the add the security using the access modifiers. So this access modifier will prevent the methods or classes from getting implemented into the other classes or packages. Then POP takes less memory size because all the programs are smaller in size, while OOP takes more memory on a space because of its complex functions like classes, objects, and inheritance. It takes more memory. Then in POP, method overloading or method or function overloading is not possible. In OOP, method or constructor overloading is possible. So the overloading concept means the same name for multiple methods. So it is possible in OOP by passing the various arguments. Then next is our data heading. In POP, the data heading is not possible because as I already told that all the functions are by default public in nature, while OOP gives the data heading facility. It because of the two reasons. First, using of access modifier by private modifier, it restricts the use of the classes or methods into another classes. Then second point is abstraction. So an abstractions allowed to hide real world data or information. Then in POP we can't reuse the existing code. In OOP we can use the existing code again. So this features makes OOPs very popular in popular than POP. The examples or the programming language which follows the POP principles are C, Fortran, COBOL, and Pascal, etc. While the programming language which follows the OOP principles are C++, Java, Python, and that's all with the difference between the POP and OOP. Thank you.